In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix blank YouTube homepage. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is try searching for videos. At the top, you're going to see the search box over there. Search for any topic that you are interested in. Once the videos appear, launch it and play it for a few seconds or minutes. You should now start seeing recommended videos appear again. If the recommendations do not show up immediately, repeat the process by searching for 2 or 3 more videos and watching them briefly. This works because YouTube relies on your watch history to generate personalized recommendations for the homepage. You can just reload the page and videos might appear. If the issue still continues, there is another fix you can try on your browser. Click on this icon given at the top left. Now click on the option Cookies and Site Data. Click on the option Manage On-Device Site Data and remove all stored YouTube data by pressing the trash icon next to YouTube. Delete everything listed in the pop-up window and then press Done. Once you have cleared the site data, reopen YouTube and sign back into your account. After refreshing the page, your YouTube home feed and recommendations should now appear normally again. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.